Going to talk about the Generac model 5837 CorePower series 7 kilowatt backup generator. Basically it's an 8-circuit natural gas. It's a standby generator. It's a basic Generac model, and it's actually very easy to maintain. No tools are needed. Just unlatch the top. You have your basic engine. You have your control panel. You have a fuse. It's on automatic or manual. Goes to off. Right now it's on system ready. If you need to do any service, such as change the oil, which is done every few years, the panels slide up. So your 3 panels come off, the front, the 2 sides. What we're going to do now is I will show you how it sounds when it's running. We'll put the top back on. Get it all ready. But actually, my mistake. Got to turn the switch on first. Put it on manual. That's how it sounds. I don't think it's any more than 60, 70 decibels at the most, a little louder than a regular lawnmower engine. Designed again for backup power generation. Again, it's a natural gas unit. We have the gas running in from right near the gas meter, right where the inlet is from the house. The power leaves the unit based on what the transfer switch inside is calling for, and we'll look at that in a minute. And you have your basic circuit breaker protection, and then in here it would be your wire going back to the panel, which this is the wire that supplies the power when the electricity goes out. And you have your signal wires to tell it when to come on and turn off. It's pretty much automatic. The transfer switch, like we said, we'll talk about in a minute, senses when the power goes out, gives it 5 seconds, and then the generator will start, will run for a couple seconds, get up to speed, generate electricity, and then the transfer switch will turn over and transfer the power to those circuits. What we have here inside is the actual transfer switch. It's kind of the brains of the operation. This senses if the power in the main house panel goes out. If there's a loss of power based on this circuit right here, this is basically, it feeds back into the panel from this. If this goes off, these circuits will go off. They'll lose power. That'll send a signal to the generator to start, to get up to speed, and then transfer the power back in, and that power is coming in right here. This is the same wire we saw outside. This comes into here, and only these circuits in this panel are energized. These stay off, obviously. So all your vital circuits, your sump pump, your furnace, your refrigerator, the items you want on the backup are put on this panel. And it's pretty basic. The way it would work is the power goes out here, it senses it, generator comes up to speed, this automatically switches it over, so it's either always on a utility or it's going to be on generator. Neither one of these will be off at the same time, and it is instantaneous. Right now we have 8 circuits being fed here. Again, refrigerator, sump pump, furnace, some lighting, a set of receptacles, things like that. It's a basic unit, not difficult to install if you take your time and understand the theory. Again, it's a great product from Generac, and it serves us well.